Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to record a screen video on Android without any app. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply swipe down from the top of our phone until the menu opens and just swipe down again. Now you can see the screen recorder here. So this is the screen recorder. Let's go to settings. And in settings, there is resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, fixed frame rate, and then the other settings at here down. You can change also the sound source, which is if it's in system sounds, mic, or mute. You can change also the resolution from whichever you like. So you can see all the recorded here, and I have one sample here just recorded just today, just to show you. So you will just tap the red button to start your recording, and then it will be recorded and it will be saved on the folder. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.